Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to make your Threads account private. Let's have a look. First, open Threads app on your smartphone. Then, tap your profile icon on bottom right corner. Tap the globe icon in the top left corner. This will take you to your account's privacy settings. Now turn on the button beside private profile. Are you sure you want to make your profile private? Only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. Tap OK. That's it. Your profile private. And you will see a lock button on top left. Another way you can make your Threads profile private. Tap two lines menu on top right to open settings. From settings, tap privacy, and from privacy you can turn on private profile. So these are the steps to make your Threads account private. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.